Ooh. You want to do that?
Yeah, obviously a little bit oversensitive at the moment, but obviously as you know from when you set up HTC Sense before, or set up any HTC device, you can really set the sensitivity of you using the device.
Right.
So, you know, that carousel is...
That's genius.
Brilliant.
Yeah, love it.
And then when you press the home icon, so what would take you back to the beginning before, what you've got now is you see all the other little ones in the background sort of vanish.
Okay.
So it's a nice little touch to sort of give that nice new look and feel, that fresh look. Obviously, the weather is a big widget that we've had on all our devices. So if you scroll up or down, you can change the city.
Oh, okay.
Tap on the degrees.
That's
it. Sorry, just above the degrees, my mistake. That's it. And you can get a 5 hourly or whatever forecast.
Wow.
So we've improved the widget somewhat. It's a lot nicer.
It looks, a lot more of an experience now, rather than just a quick icon.
And that's all part of Sense 3, so that'll be on the flyer as well.
Right, anyway, it's cool. Messages and all that stuff, much the same, threaded
Very
messaging.
similar, yeah, threaded messaging. You get little bubbles now, and sort of, again, a little bit more popped out.
I'm fine, thank you.
So a lot of the widgets, obviously there's very little we can change. We add new widgets with watch and stuff like that, but we also do change the widgets that a lot of people have a lot of interaction with.
Cool.
For HDMI is called
MHL.
I noticed you had like a divider now with these apps. What's the difference with that?
Gingerbread, basically. So they've changed the way that the menu flows. So you don't have one continuous roll of apps. You've got all apps, which is that screen there, and you've got frequent at the bottom with the yellow star.
Oops.
So if you, there you go, moved across, so frequently used apps, you've got frequently used, and then your downloaded ones there as well.
No downloaded ones.
So that's part of Gingerbread.
Great.
A little integration from Android there.
What else can I show? Web browser is always a good one.
Yeah. Even testing it on a Windows phone, and it was something I missed massively because it's not on Internet Explorer for Windows either.
No.
And it's something I missed.
Yeah, and the flash support is brilliant.
It's just like browsing on your PC, isn't it? There's no massive difference anymore. There's no, very rarely do you get a pop-up of a web version of a website. You know, maybe the BBC one for news and stuff. It just, maybe shrinks it down a little bit and makes it a little bit more palatable for web, mobile web, but not. A lot of websites have very similar support now, but as if it was on a PC itself.
Yeah, that text replay thing is brilliant. Can you turn that off, just out of curiosity?
No.
No, it's fixed on. That's fine. Great. What else do I need to show?
Something I would like to just talk about as well is because of the 1080p output of the video, so what record I should say, you can then output through obviously a mini HDMI using the same port as the micro USB. So it's what's known as an MHL port, and that will feature on the flyer as well as this as well. So it's something that we're aiming at quite a lot, is the multimedia experience and having that output to a big screen TV. If you wanted to watch one of the movies you've streamed or something like that, you can then output it using the mini HDMI socket, which doesn't mean it takes up another port of the device. So if you have a case on your device, you don't have to create another hole in it or something like that. It all goes out the one port with an accessory that's available.
Is that a new technology that's rolling out over several phones, or is it just something that HTC have done specifically?
As well, we've done it on this and the flyer. Whether it will continue, I would imagine it will. But I don't know about other manufacturers, to be honest. It's not something I've heard of other people doing.
Okay.
Obviously Nokia did it with the N8 with the HDMI out, but that was separate socket, it wasn't the dual socket.
Yeah. So this gallery looks slightly different as well. It looks a little bit more like the traditional Android gallery until you go into the shots, like those piles of photos.
Yeah. And again, talking about these backgrounds, you can have one that's just relevant to your pictures as well. So if you've got a favourite gallery or a holiday you've been on, you want to keep looking at your pictures, you can have that as your background on the lock screen, which is very nice. There we go. Try the first one, that should work. There we go.
All right.
And then menu, or what would be
trim.
So you can edit the videos, the start and end points quite considerably there, and you can see each frame split.
Great.
And as soon as you've done that, you just save that particular section of it and then upload it or do what you want with it from that point.
Sure, sure. There's a watch on these as well. Can we look at watch?
Yeah, yeah. So again, just home button, take us back to the beginning. Go to all apps, so yeah, menu. Scroll down to the bottom, so obviously it's W. There we go. It will say no videos, but it will load some. There we go. Test accounts that we've got on here at the moment, and a test version of with the trailers and stuff, just to show you guys how to navigate through. You can flip either way as well, so you can have sort of a nice flow look like that. It's
very nice.
Very nice.
Can I take a screenshot of this on the phone?
No. No, I know what you're thinking. Kind of like iPhone S.
The iPhone is the only one that I think does that.
Yeah. I just want to show the readers the new lock screen. And you haven't got any pictures of it.
The only thing I can think of is to take a picture of it. Yeah. We don't have. You can't take screenshots of the actual screen itself.
Yeah, I'd never seen that before. This new home screen and all of the changes you've made.
I think it's something that we've kept quiet as part of Sensory, but it's it's all out in the open today. So.
Yeah, great.
So you have the store there as well. That's what I was going to get to.
Okay, this is what we're looking at right now. Yeah.
Yeah, what you can buy, rent, or stream. So
sure.
If you want to just stream to the device, like instantly, you can do it that way. If you want to buy it and have it on the device, you can do that. If you want to just rent it for simply, say, well, when I get home, I can link it to my big screen using the MHL port, and I can watch a movie when I get back.
Yeah.
Or you can watch it on the train there and then if you've got good enough signal, etc., etc. So, it will work over Wi-Fi and 3G, which is awesome.